Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share my complete journey of how I cracked Cognizant, including my preparation strategy, mistakes and what actually worked for me. If you are preparing for placements or aiming for an IT job, this experience will give you a clear direction. So, starting with hiring process, it would be having 4 stage of rounds: aptitude test, coding round, then technical interview, at last HR interview. First of all, coming to the starting point, understanding the process. So before starting preparation, I first understood the Cognizant hiring process. So it generally includes aptitude, logical, verbal test, followed by coding round, technical interview and HR interview. Once I understood the structure, I didn't prepare randomly. I followed a proper plan. So coming to my preparation strategy, I divided my preparation into 3 main parts. Number 1, aptitude preparation. I focused on percentages, profit and loss, time and work, number series, coding, decoding, puzzles, basic English grammar and comprehension. I practiced daily because aptitude is all about speed and accuracy. Coming to coding preparation, for coding I didn't jump into very difficult problems. Instead I focused on arrays and strings, basic logic building, writing error-free code. My main goal was solve at least one question perfectly, attempt the second with a proper approach. The third was core subject. I revised important subjects like DBMS, including SQL queries, normalization, operating system, including process, threads, computer networks, basic concepts. I kept short notes for quick revision before the interview. Coming to the online test experience. During the test, I solved aptitude first with high accuracy. I avoided guesswork. In coding, I focused on correctness rather than typing anything. My strategy was accuracy is greater than attempts. Now coming to technical interview experience, in the technical round I was asked questions about my projects, basics of programming, Java in my case, DBMS and OS concepts, simple coding logic questions. What helped me? I explained my project clearly. I stayed honest when I didn't know something. I thought step by step while solving problems. At last, coming to HR interview, in the HR round, questions were like, tell me about yourself, why Cognizant, strengths and weakness, are you willing to relocate? I answered confidently and honestly. Communication matters a lot here. So the mistakes that I avoided: ignoring aptitude, over focusing only on coding, last minute preparation, and giving unclear answers in interview. Key lessons from my journey was consistency is more important than talent. Basics are everything. Practice daily, even if for 1 to 2 hours. Stay calm during interviews. Be honest and confident. Final advice would be, if you are preparing for Cognizant or any IT company, stay early. Start early. Focus on aptitude coding, communication. Revise regularly. Believe in yourself. Now, cracking Cognizant is not about being perfect, it's all about being prepared and consistent. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your placements. Your success is coming soon. If you will comment all about in detail strategies, what I did actually, what I followed, then do comment. I will make a separate video with all the details, how Cognizant communicates with students, how Cognizant proceeds with stage by stage, and so on. So if you will comment, then I'll make a separate video on it. It was all about the strategies that I followed and the steps that was done in these steps. Thank you.